Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Explore POV. It's an immersive video experiences app. With Explore POV, breathtaking immersive 180-degree 3D 16K videos transport you directly into the heart of the world's most extraordinary places. Experience the thrill of exploration from your point of view, finding adventure and relaxation in equal measure. See that there are three different categories. You have teasers, which I'm assuming are just videos of just testing, right? Just to see how the app works. And then you have adventures and relaxation. And then there's a new releases section. So the newest video added was the jungle stream. And then there's a section for favorites, which I don't have any because I just downloaded this app. So let's go to the teasers. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. I've noticed this on the Amaze VR app as well. The whole black void of doom behind you. Kind of reminds me of the Sphere in Las Vegas. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I thought I fell in the water for a second. Oh, it really feels like you're here walking. I can see how this is relaxing or peaceful. Just the sound from the sea. Sun looks weird. Not gonna lie, she scared me. Oh, this is cool. I kind of wish it was a full 360 immersive experience, but this is really cool. Oh wow. Okay. So let's try the newest release. This is Serenity. Yeah, this is peaceful. I could literally sit and watch this all day. But I can't because my audience doesn't have that kind of attention span. So, Jungle Stream Serenity. That was the name of the most recent release. And we still have adventure, the adventure categories. You have Secret of Fox River and Sealy Tarn Skywalk. And then there's the relaxation area as well. So I don't want to spoil these. I'm going to continue to play around with them. So whenever you get a chance, download Explore POV. Take a look at the immersive experiences that you see on these apps. Keep it locked to the channel for future Vision Pro experiences. And thanks for watching.